what will happen at your criminal sentencing? Now, people often ask us questions about trial and pretrial, but we get very few questions about post-trial. Now, hopefully, in most situations, post-trial means that you've been acquitted or your case has been dismissed. But there are unfortunately situations where we have to deal with sentencing for a client. We have to explain to a client what happens at sentencing. At sentencing, it's on your attorney to put forth mitigation evidence, and the prosecution will put forth aggravation evidence. So your defense will tell the court, the judge, all the good things that you have done in your life and all the good things that you have done outside of this one incident. In addition, the defense is able to put up witnesses, present letters, any documentation, awards, any documents that show your good nature, your good character, and to show the court that this incident is simply out of your ordinary character as a person. And that is mitigation evidence. That can mean a lot because in every state, including Pennsylvania and New Jersey, there are aggravation and mitigation guidelines, meaning that the court can escalate or downgrade the guidelines based on arguments of counsel. The prosecution will put forth aggravation evidence, and that will be in the form of prior criminal history. The prosecution, however, like the defense, can put on witnesses, typically victims in the case or the victim's family, to show the impact that it's had on their lives. Now, your defense, if your attorney knows the prosecution is going to make a very, very strong aggravation argument, they have to be ready for that. They have to be ready with witnesses, documents, and put together a lot of mitigation evidence to kind of rebut what the prosecution will say. Because remember, the judge is the one making the decision with regards to your sentencing, and when it comes to a sentence, the court has a lot of discretion. They're not obligated to make any sentencing order based on a strict guideline. The judge has a wide range of power in this situation.